Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another one of my videos. For today's video, we're just going to be making a simple menu. This is a second part to my my Viking style video. You know, the one right here. It's right here. Yeah, that one. So this one's a part two of this assignment, this project, and I'll be working on creating the menu this time. In a couple weeks, there's gonna be a video coming out of me making coasters and a website. So make sure to subscribe to see those videos. All right, let's just jump into it. Ooh. Also, don't forget to subscribe. It helps out. Please subscribe. Thank you. You're the best. Okay, bye. Okay, so for this first part of the speed art here and for this menu, I was sort of going for trying to find colors I could work with, so I decided to go with a nice brown and cream. It was really fitting my theme, and it was sort of the colors I chose for the actual brand itself through the whole restaurant and website and everything. So those are going to be the colors I'm going to be using going forward. So I decided to try to bring in the original text or font that I had from the logo, so I didn't have to keep remaking it. And I had some difficulty, so I had to end up opening the other file and organizing it. Yeah. So after fixing the kerning and everything, I decided to place it on the left side of the menu and just, you know, go with the flow, see how things are working. I tried all these different line things. I thought they were pretty cool. Making a menu isn't that difficult. It's more so just trying to see what works and what doesn't. Like with anything with design, it's trial and error, and I was honestly fiddling around because I'd never made a menu before, obviously. So I was just fiddling around. Trying to make something that looked decent. And mind you, this is for an assignment for school, and I wanted to get a good grade on it and make sure to follow all the guidelines that I had to. But yeah, I wanted to make it look nice. So organized, spacing is right, text is readable, colors are not too harsh on the eye, those sort of things. With the layout of this menu, I decided to go for a split page layout. And a bunch of I searched on Google for a bunch of menu ideas, and I found the split layout, and then I also found how some places organized their text. And I was wondering, some places did it in the middle, some places did it line to the left, line to the right, and you know, I decided just to go for a line to the left. I think it suited this the best. I wanted to go a line for the middle, and after checking it out, it wasn't really the greatest. So I decided to put snacks, sandwiches, a bunch of different things on here. And here I am actually looking at a menu to sort of copy and paste drinks and stuff, because I know I'm not gonna create things on my own for now. But yeah, so it's really good when you're coming up with these rough ideas, just to, you know, put in placeholders, especially for menus and stuff. When you're actually working with a company, obviously they're gonna give you content to put in the menu, and you don't have to search for these placeholder things. You could always put lorem ipsum if you really want to, but I mean, for an assignment I couldn't really do that, so I had to come up with I had to find different menu items to use. You'll see later in the video that I actually end up copying some from Google and then putting their own title on it and keeping the description. So with this assignment, I was actually pretty happy with how it turned out, and you will see it at the end of the video. I hope you enjoy the rest of the speed art, and I'll be back with you at the end. Thank you guys. Alright guys, so there you have it. There's the final piece. It looks really good. I really like the way it turned out. The video recording software sort of cut out at the end, but it's fine. It was only at the end. I didn't really miss a lot of the art. And yeah, so there's my piece. Here it is. You saw it already. It's always been there. I just like putting my hand here because I can do this. Cool. But yeah, so anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. If you did like this video, don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And tell all your friends about this video because I need the views. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and until next time, I will see you. Goodbye.